How to make a project memory in Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can create a custom project memory for your Claude to remember. So a custom project memory could be anything related to the particular project that you are working on so that Claude remembers the basic structure of your project, or maybe remember all of the preferences that you would like to have in the output of your Claude code. So let me show you how you can make a project memory in your Claude Code CLI. So to do this, the first thing that you're going to do is simply launch your Claude Code, and then once your Claude Code launches, you're going to simply go to a new terminal line and type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then type in memory. Now once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and from here you will see these four options, the first one being the user memory and the second one being the project memory. Simply hit the enter button on the project memory and it will open a notepad editor. Now from here you can simply type in the memory that you wish Claude should remember for your project. So for example, this is a project which costs, and its name is Batman. So let's say I want this particular memory to be remembered by Claude. I'm going to simply press the Control S keys, and now I can close this particular file. Now as you can see that the memory has been saved. If you wish to check it, you can simply type in the memory command again and hit the enter button, and then navigate to the project memory, and it will open the same file, and you can see that Claude now remembers whatever is present in this particular file. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.